Okay, good morning. Once again, as we discussed few points on that day, Gandhiji returned from South Africa and successfully launched free movement. Yes, name of the movement? Year. Okay, then Justice Roland came to India and passed two proposals, two bills. Those were popularly known as Roland Tech gave the enormous power to government. They can arrest any person without right. They can seize the property of any person without any legal procedure. Okay. Roller Satyagraha Sabha was formed. Gandhiji urged people to do fast, prayer, and request all the people to pressurize the government in a manner of satyagraha. What is the meaning of satyagraha? Yes.
Appeal for truth in a peaceful manner.
Yes, Ram. Requesting for the truth in a peaceful manner or requesting for the rights in a peaceful manner without disturbing the people. They required peaceful environment. Okay. What happens afterwards? Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement against the Jallianwala Bagh incident. What was Jallianwala Bagh incident? What happens in Jallianwala Bagh?
Many people are killed, and this is known as many of people and killed in Jallianwala Bagh.
Okay, sit down. On that day you was present? No, that's why. On 6th of April 1919, there was a national-wide Hartal protestation. On 8th of April, two prominent leaders of Indian National Congress, Dr. Satyapal Singh and Kichlu, reached Amritsar. Amritsar, it is in Punjab. Okay. Amritsar and urged the people that they were discussing several matters or addressing the peaceful gathering on the eve of Baisakhi. That was on 13th of April 1919. On 13th of April 1919, as a pre-decided program, people gathered, but in between 11th of April 1919, General Dyer took the charge and issued the order. It was not circulated, it was issued. It was written in the diary, but it was not circulated among the people. So people were unaware about that. अगर आपको कोई invitation दे दे कि भाई इतनी तारीख का खाना है, आ जाना, आपको डेट दे दी, आ जाना, आप क्या करोगे? खाना खाने जाना पड़ेगा, इसमें क्या है? इनविटेशन कार्ड है, जाना पड़ेगा. तो वहां क्या हुआ बेटा कि they gave the, it was issued in the order diary that all meetings are prohibited and martial law imposed, but people were unaware about that. So all gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. General Dyer came, closed all the exit point, issue open fire, and killed 1,500 men, women, and children. This incident is known as Jallianwala Bagh massacre or Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. We can compare this with the Russian Revolution Bloody Sunday, 1905. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then Khilafat movement. Khalifa is the pious post in Islam. Remember this thing. Khalifa is the pious post in Islam, especially for Sunni Muslims. Khalifa, the Sultan of Turkey, recognized as the Khalifa. Okay. But after the First World War, when Turkey was defeated, British East India Company removed this post. Against this, two famous Ali brothers named launched Khilafat movement for restoring the position of Khalifa. Now Gandhiji feels this is the appropriate time This is the appropriate time to launch nationwide movement. And he decided the program. What was the program? Boycott British goods, schools, college, jobs, promote Khadi, Hindu-Muslim unity, and Swadeshi, once its own. So with these programs, Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement. Is that clear to everyone? Any doubt? Okay. We'll stop this one. Okay, start writing the spread and the success of the movement. The movement wholeheartedly supported by different sections although this movement limited to cities but slowly gradually it was supported by each and every part of country. Next, Chori Chora incident okay on February 5th 1922 on February 5th 1922 a clash took place at Chori Chora. A clash took place at Chori Chora, a small town in Uttar Pradesh between a crowd of peasants and the police. Between the crowd of peasants and the police, this was ended with violence. 22 policemen killed in this incident. Gandhiji was shocked at such a turn of event. He suspended the movement on 10th March 1922. After that, Gandhiji was arrested and sent for 6 year imprisonment. Now map question, focus here. Chori Chora in Uttar Pradesh. Here, Chori Chora, this place in Uttar Pradesh. So in map question, you have to locate the Chori Chora also. Chori Chora in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Impact and the importance of the movement. Next topic, impact and the importance of the movement. Non-cooperation movement was the first mass movement under Gandhiji's leadership. All section of society participated in the movement. Second, the movement show the power and strength of peaceful gathering. Third, British failed to suppress the movement. Britishers failed to suppress the movement. Fourth, this movement laid the foundation for removal of untouchability. This movement laid the foundation of removal of untouchability. Next, fifth point, through this movement, we introduce Khadi as the symbol of nationalist feeling. This movement generated the unity of Hindu and Muslims. Unity of Hindus and Muslims. Importance of the movement in the words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When he write down his book, he introduced these lines, he quote these lines. Write down in his words. A peaceful rebellion a peaceful rebellion, a most civilized form of warfare, a most civilized form of warfare, and yet dangerous to stability of the state, and yet dangerous to stability of the state. Yes. A peaceful rebellion, a most civilized form of warfare, and yet dangerous to the stability of the state. Okay. Okay, now moving further. 1909 Marley-Minto reform. These all are the administrative reforms. These three are the administrative reforms. 1909, 1909 Marley-Minto reform, 1919 Montagu-Chelmsford reform, 1935 Government of India Act. These are the administrative reforms introduced by Britishers in India. So when they introduced Marley-Minto reform, it was opposed, and there was a limitation that after every 10 years we can change the formation. Whatever we observe, whatever we feel that it is not appropriate, so we can change. In 1919 they haven't changed. Again the policy was that they have to introduce the changes in 1929. But due to the pressurization, non-cooperation movement, and the spread of nationalist feeling among the Indians, they sent a commission headed by Sir John Simon in 1927. Before 2 years, Sir John Simon came to India and select 6 other members, all belonging to British community. So it was popularly known as White Man Commission. And when he was moving from one place to another, he was welcomed with the slogan, "Go back, Simon." Simon Commission, go back. And the incident of the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, he was badly injured while protesting against Simon Commission. After that, a wave of sentiments among the Indians. It was increased and they refused all the demands of Sir John Simon. Is that clear? Start right. The Act 1919 provided the facility. Act 1919 provided the facility for the appointment of commission to inquire the working of reforms, to inquire the working of reforms introduced by it. Under the pressurization of INC, it was sent 2 years earlier in 1927. All 7 members of this commission belongs to British community. That's why was known as Whiteman Commission. Commission was welcomed with the slogan, "Go back, Simon." This commission faced many protests and demonstrations. Many protests and demonstrations. In 1930, it submitted its report. (1930). Number one, provisional legislative council should be enlarged dual government a federation representing both British India and princely state was continued. And the communal representation accepted by Simon Commission. All party conference was held at Mumbai in May 1928. Main question. All party meeting was held in Mumbai in 1928. This is the main question, 1928 session. Here. This one, this place, Mumbai. Okay. Special session here in Mumbai. The conference appointed a committee with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's father, Motilal Nehru, as the chairman to frame a constitution for India. As a chairman to frame a constitution for India. The recommendation of Nehru report. First, self-governing state. Self-governing state. Second, federal setup. Third, joint electorates. Fourth, parliamentary form of the system. voting right, Declaration of Fundamental Rights, Nehru report was submitted on 10th August 1928. August 1928. Demand for complete independence in INC Lahore session. Lahore, just have a look here. Lahore, यहाँ पर है लाहौर, दिख रहा है सबको? लाहौर. In Lahore session, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared that we demand Purna Swaraj, complete independence. We demand Purna Swaraj, complete independence. And we boycott round table conference. This was the first step for civil disobedience movement. This was the first step for civil disobedience movement. First time on 26 January 1930. 26 January 1930. We celebrate Purna Swaraj Day. Make the bracket and write down. That's why after independence, 26 January 1950, we adopted the Constitution of India. And afterwards, this day is celebrated as Republic Day. Again, 1915. 1916. 1917. 1918. 1919. Roller Satyagraha. This was known by Mahatma Gandhi, 6th April 1919. Then Jallianwala Bagh incident, 13th April 1919. Khilafat movement 1919. Non-cooperation movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1922. What happened? Incident. After this incident, that was the law-breaking part, and we withdrew the movement. This was the first mass movement led by any Indian against the mighty power of Britishers. Okay, it gives all the source of information to each and every citizen of the nation. Then, after that, there was 3 amendments introduced, administrative change introduced by Britishers, that was Martin Reform, Montagu-Chelmsford Reform, and Government of India Act 1935. Before that, there was a provision in Montagu-Chelmsford Reform. After 10 years, we are sending an observer commission, and he gave the report about the administrative change. But what happened? Simon Commission came to India and select all the members from British society. So it was popularly known as Whiteman Commission, and people only opposed it. And when Lala Lajpat Rai was opposing Simon Commission, he was badly injured. After the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, people not accepted Simon. They welcome with go big with the black things. After that, the Simon Commission submitted its reports. It is favorable to the Britishers. At the same time, Nehru report was submitted, and we demand complete independence. In the special session in Lahore, presidented by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he demanded complete independence, and he declared that complete independence is our goal. This was the first step towards civil disobedience movement. We are not discussing civil disobedience movement right now. This was the first step towards civil disobedience movement. They launched the program, they unfolded the program in step to step. The first step was that celebrating Purna Swaraj Day. On 26 January 1930, first time we celebrated Purna Swaraj Day. As a symbolic date, we choose this date as the Republic Day. Is that clear? ये पढ़ा है हमने आज तक, कोई डाउट है? Any doubt? No, sir. जो आ रहे हैं उनको डाउट नहीं है, जो नहीं आ रहे हैं वो सोच लेना बेटा.